Oh, when I see anyone in Nigeria talking about democracy or new Nigeria, I feel like bring this person out and use stones to bring him down. That's the way I feel. You understand? I'm that's the way I feel. Look at the current Inspector General of Police, who's supposed to be at home right now. He's supposed to be retired. You know, Nigerians came out 2-3 days, they rant. The IGP is still there. Now they keep quiet. They face a Fubara, they rant. That one is gone. Nigerian politicians know that Nigerian youth cannot even kill a fly. They are liars, they are lazy youth, they are powerless, they can't do nothing. They understand all these things. And that is why they treat you people like tissue paper. Why should the IGP, who's supposed to be retired, still be on service? Igbo man supposed to replace him, but because of 2027 politics, they left this IGP because they want to use him. So if, for example, someone carry ballot, they will guide people to go and carry ballot box for them. They will guide people to go and write result in the hotels. Do you get? This is the areas they are using police. All of them. They will bring them to guide the people. At the same time, they give them another job to do. This is what they are doing, and that is why they can never remove this IGP to put another person, because they want to use him. Do you get the point? So don't speak about democracy. Democracy does not work in Nigeria. Anyone, man or woman, who comes out to talk about democracy or new Nigeria, Ogu Amadioha go strike that person to down completely. Let me tell you, nothing works in Nigeria. 1992 cum 1993, I was in Nigerian Defense Academy in Zaria. Just 3 months on the service. Training, kind of. They asked us to, some of us, to go and bring letter of referee from our referees. My referee was Rear Admiral Chidoke Kaja. He was on sabbatical leave in America. I couldn't get a letter from him. That was how I left. You know, because wherever Igbo man is, they want to outwit him. They want to remove him. They want to use every means to block him. That is why, if you check Nigerian army, when Nigerian army was Nigerian army, Igbo man was #1. Who are you to replace an Igbo man? There is nobody that can replace an Igbo man, because we are determined, we are courageous, and we are smart. Nobody is better than us. Nobody. Yes, I say it with all my chest. Nobody is better than Igbo man. And that is why Nigerian military is like this. You go there, you see terrorists. You go there, you see men. Women who are men in uniform. Do you understand? The only war they have gone to fight is to fight people on the street, civilians that has no weapon. That is what the highest they have done. They have never fought any war, but they are generals. Do you understand? So this is what Nigeria has become. They want to use the IGP against 2027, and they are doing everything humanly possible to make sure nobody takes that position. So after using him, then they will retire him, and you people will keep quiet. Nigerians will rant, do nothing. Nigerian youth. Yeah, you understand? So if you're an Igbo man and you want to enter Nigerian army, just know that they will put you where they will buy you. They are not going to put you where you benefit, where you be useful to yourself. Of course, what is their salary? Their salary is not even up to €1. You understand? Their salary is about €30 or $50 every month. A military man fighting for the country is receiving $50 as a salary. Is that not shameful thing? So if you are an Igbo man and you want to go and join Nigerian army, good luck to you, or police, good luck to you, because you will never achieve anything if you are in Nigerian army. That is why they have flooded the place with terrorists. They bring Fulani from the bush everywhere. They put them in the army. Those are the people that you want to work. People that sleep with animals. Those are the people you want to mingle with. You understand? So if you are talking about Nigeria and you are not condemning Fulani, who made it difficult for you to drink water today, for you to feed, for you to apply a good road, or have electricity, or have water in your houses, if you don't blame Fulani, if you don't talk about Fulani against them, then you have not started where I am. Because I know if anything is going bad today, is a product of Fulani. How can you be ruling a country with secrets? Yoruba will come, Fulani will come, they will plan. Let us remove this Igbo man from this position. They will be our problem. If you remove him, then we can achieve what we want. What do you want? To loot him? What do you want? To block Igbo man from doing the right thing? And since you have blocked Igbo man, what have you people achieved? Nothing. And you will not achieve anything. That is the truth. Because when you look at what is happening, you see that without Igbo man, nothing is going to work out. Nothing can be done. And the more you block them, the more you block yourself. The more you block them, the more you block yourself. For those of you who have brain, those of you who are smart, you will know that without these people, Nigeria is not moving an inch. So talking about new Nigerian without an Igbo man, it's like bringing fufu without soup. It's like bringing white rice without sauce to eat it. That is the way it looks like. But you will not get it until you bend down very well to see what is going on in Nigeria. There is nowhere they are practicing democracy. The judiciary is like they are like boys. They buy them. They give them how much they want to do what they want. Do you understand? Police, they send them where they want them to go to do what they want them to do. Judiciary, they tell you who to. They don't even obey their laws. None of them obey their laws. The judiciary, the police, and the judiciary, who is supposed to interpret the laws, are just collecting money. And they are not still interpreting the laws. Do you get the point? This is the condition that Nigerians are in. And I'm sorry for you people. I'm very, very sorry. For those of you Nigerians who want to join the army, good luck. Go and join. For you, if you are an Igbo man, move away from army people. Don't go there. They are planning to buy you. Already, you see the whole number. How many army does Nigeria? Nigerian army cannot defend Nigeria if there is any war. They can't. They don't have the weapons. They don't have the numbers. They don't have nothing. They don't have the knowledge. They don't have the right training. All they have, the training they have is how to guide the influential people and help them to convey and steal money and launder money. This is the only thing they know how to do. And if you don't know Nigerian soldiers, you don't know Nigerian politicians, you have just started. You understand? So don't join the army, because the army is going to condemn and buy you and buy your family. That is all I can tell you in a very simple way and in a very simple way. Thank you so much, and that is what I have for you now. Thank you. Yes, that's all I can tell you. But before I go, you know, like I keep saying, the hatred against the Igbo man. The Yoruba man hates, Nigerians hate Igbo people with passion. And what has that got to do with Igbo people? They don't care about your hatred. They are pursuing what they are pursuing. Do you understand? The hatred, they have passed it to the 1 to 100 generation to come. Even to their unborn generation, they have already intimated them. If you go to Yoruba people teach their children to hate Igbo people. You go to the north, they teach their children to hate Igbo people. You come to Benin, they teach their children to hate Igbo people. They even come to East, where we belong, to tell our brothers that they are not our brothers. That is to show you the level of hatred. And what have they achieved? They have not achieved anything. And without Igbo man, that is why the Igbo man today continue to champion Biafra. Are you going to blame them? They are championing their Biafra. If you don't see it on their faces, it is in their hearts. Because each and every one of them lost people. And they can't stop talking about Biafra. And with that notion, with that idea, with that mind, Nigeria can never be won. And that is how it's supposed to be. You don't have to blame them. The hatred is too much. Even people are showing the hatred in the open. Can you imagine that somebody became a best student from LASU, and the Sonwo-Olu gave the person 10 million naira just to appreciate the lady? You understand? And the Yoruba people started to shout, why did Sonwo-Olu use Lagos State money to give a non-indigenous? That is the hatred. Digest it by yourself and let me hear your comment in the comment section. Thank you.